Getting back in the saddle, Robin and I continue our ride into Tombstone to check out the historic sites. Passing Boothill on the left here, you make your way into town. And again, this is only just a few minutes up the road from Tombstone RV Park, where we pushed off. Within just a couple minutes, you're in town passing another RV park. And then you pass the OK Corral.
Shall we park? We got a spot right over here. By these guys.
So we parked just off the main street where most of the action happens. As we disembarked, it was past lunch, so we were ready to find a place to eat.
I like it, but I wouldn't buy one. There we go. Oh yeah. Somebody's got to do it, right? How are y'all doing today? Excellent. It was just pitter-pattering, but not raining. Midland. We actually just rode from the RV park down the road.
Good.
It'll all clean.
Earmuffs. One of these guys. Honestly, I could probably just put this guy. Well, traveling was an old fart, honey. What can I say? At least I'm trying.
Hey, you're out. You're out and about.
Out and about.
So the first thing that we did was walk down towards the OK Corral, where likely the most famous gunfight of all ever occurred.
Holidays Emporium, baby.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
I don't know.
Hi, Robin.
Might need to sit on that, baby. It says for butts.
We
stopped in for lunch at the local Chuck Wagon. George had the best green chili burger he's had before, and I had an awesome chili dog with baked beans instead of chili. Delish. Then seeing some of the local sites in Tombstone. My favorite, of course, was the carriage rides. And I stopped in and got an awesome hat so I could fit in with the town. Got some fudge at the local Sweet Sin Parlor. And we had a sarsaparilla at Big Nose Kate's Saloon.
Making our way over towards the Birdcage Theater, we passed by the underground mining tour, which is right in front of us here. And if you visit Tombstone, Arizona and the Birdcage Theater but do not tour the whole facility, you are missing out on one major historical gem in the western United States. Only by visiting and touring the whole facility will you really come to grasp what Tombstone, Arizona was all about in the 1870s and early 1880s.
Right there where it says the Birdcage Theater. Wave.
And it is my desire to honor the owner's wishes by not showing all of the Birdcage relics inside what I would call their museum area, which is past the first main entrance.
Oh, Curly Bill Roaches?
Killed
Brocious killed Marshal Fred White here on October 28th, 1880. Can my husband pose with you really quick?
In my desire to respect the owner's wishes of the Birdcage Theater and their museum, I wanted to throw some little teaser pictures here of some of the labels of the items that are within their museum area. They really are some interesting artifacts found inside, and they contain personal belongings of the Earps and other relics from around Tombstone.
Going into the Birdcage.
If you do not venture beyond the front room entrance of the Birdcage Theater, you are really missing out on a lot of the historical value of this building and what lies behind this front wall. By doing so, you will support this historic relic of a building and the local community.
To Tombstone today on Connie, and pretty much went straight down off of, I believe, 4th Street, and had lunch at the Old Tombstone Western Town Chuck Wagon restaurant. That was a recommended restaurant by someone, and it was a very good green chili burger that I had. Absolutely beautiful mountain range with the light on them. Then Robin's wearing her stylish, beautiful, fancy jacket that she got. Her little rocket girl. Man. You ready?
I'm ready.
Making our way to our last stop on our way out of Tombstone. Headed back west towards Tombstone RV Park, we swing into the Boothill Cemetary. This is a cemetery that, by percentage, has a shocking amount of epitaphs that only state a name and murdered.
Well, Emmett, E-M-M-E-T-T. There's a lot of people up here these days. John Slaughter saved a little girl where an Indian slaughter happened, and the little girl burned to death playing with matches. Peter Smith was killed in 1882. Somebody got a nice stone over there. Said somebody got a nice. Killed.
Some of the unknowns actually have some information. Bottom of English, shaft mine.
Murdered. Three-fingered Jack Dunlop shot. Jim Riley murdered. Alfred Cantrell shot. Van Houten murdered.
He was beaten in the face with a stone until he died. Trouble was over his mining claim, which he had not recorded. Tom Waters, who was the father of Eva Waters, who had the scarlet fever and died in 3 months, and likely the one T.J. Waters shot over the color of his shirt.
What? Chaz Helm.
2 hot-tempered ranchers who disagreed over the best way to drive cattle, fast or slow.
Oh my gosh. Seriously.
People really. One guy who was shot in the left temple by Claiborne for his over-insistence that they drink together. Dude, find another drinking buddy.
Yeah. So what's the story on George Johnson?
We're in row 6 now.
You ready? Sorry, baby. I was panning, getting a shot.
Moral of the story is, don't pick anyone else's precinct, but
Ching.
okay. You need to help me out, babe. Because honestly, my leg.
Okay.
Sorry.
Here. Here. Does that help? There we go.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. Legs just don't bend towards the end of the day.
Well, let's get you home so you can put your legs up. Let's get you on out of here. Away we go.
So pulling out of Boothill, I went ahead and let this video finish off all the way down to Tombstone RV Park, just so you can see how close the park really is to Tombstone, Arizona, getting into downtown.
There's our old spot, baby. I'm not sure. Hi, puppy dog.